Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to create hyper-realistic crystal fruit videos, like a red crystal strawberry or a green crystal mango, using Google's AI Veo3. Just follow these simple steps to make stunning 3D videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or digital ads. Guide to use crystal fruit images with ChatGPT to create a Veo3 video prompt. Step 1. Find or create a crystal fruit image. Search online with keywords like crystal fruit AI art, glass fruit, hyper-realistic fruit render, AI satisfying fruit, or generate your own using Leonardo.ai, Midjourney, Bing Image Creator, etc. Step 2. Upload the image to ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT with image support like GPT-4o. Click the icon and upload your fruit image. Step 3. Ask ChatGPT to analyze the image. After uploading, type your request. Please analyze this image and write me a prompt to generate an AI Veo3 video based on it. ChatGPT will examine the image for color, lighting, materials, emotion, style, and more. Step 4. Use the generated prompt with Veo3. Copy the prompt ChatGPT gives you. Open Google Veo3 and paste it into the prompt field. Click Generate, and your video will be based on the visual inspiration from the image. And that's how you create stunning crystal fruit videos using AI Veo3. If you found this helpful, give it a try yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Petter Insights for more AI tools, tutorials, and creative content every week. See you in the next video.